The next step is fixing the checkout form, which has some issues. A huge problem in checkout is the inability to change the order. I can't remove or change quantity. Currently, I can't even see the quantity of items. I'm assuming this is a design mistake, although it's possible the designer planned another form for editing the order. We can approach this problem in several ways. The obvious first approach can be to use swipe. It has a huge advantage of leaving the design exactly as is. However, it's hard to discover that a swipe action exists if you don't know the UI, and it might be less intuitive to those that aren't tech savvy. It is easy to implement in Codename 1 with swipe container. Another approach is to provide an edit mode button, probably on the top right. This would show modification controls for every entry, which is pretty common approach on iOS. However, we'd still need designs for everything, and we might as well show the modification controls all the time. We can include quantity in the end of the price line. It might be hard to convey visually that this quantity element is editable. We can use a text field design, but that might not be attractive. A delete button on the right can work too, but might disrupt the UI. This is what I did eventually. I used the button design for the cart, so this should be consistent. I mixed the X with the number, so people understand this is a multiplication. The reason for that is space. If I had the X outside of the button, space ran out. Clicking the button opens the native picker, allowing us to select the quantity or 0 to delete. This way, we don't need validation or keyboard, both of which are harder to work with on the device.